Welcome to my honest review of ImageMagick, a versatile and powerful open-source tool designed for all your image manipulation needs. ImageMagick is widely known for its ability to convert, edit, compose, and process images in various formats. It's not a graphical editor, but a command-line utility, which may feel intimidating to beginners. However, its performance and flexibility make it worth considering. Installation is relatively straightforward. For Windows, you can download an installer from their official website, while Linux users can use package managers like app or yum. Once installed, you gain access to the command line interface, where all the magic happens. It supports an extensive list of image formats, including PNG, JPEG, TIFF, GIF, PDF, and many more. The core functionality of ImageMagick revolves around its ability to convert between formats, resize images, crop, rotate, and even apply various filters and effects. It also supports complex tasks like creating image animations, drawing shapes, and adding text to images. One of its most powerful features is batch processing, where you can apply operations to multiple files simultaneously, saving you a lot of time. However, using ImageMagick is not without its downsides. The command line interface can be daunting for those not familiar with terminal commands. Its steep learning curve may turn away casual users who only need basic editing capabilities. Additionally, documentation, while thorough, can be overwhelming and sometimes lacks clarity for beginners. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the positive side, ImageMagick is incredibly lightweight and fast. It doesn't hog system resources, making it suitable for large-scale processing tasks. The community around ImageMagick is active, providing plenty of forums and tutorials to help you get started. Advanced users will appreciate the scripting capabilities, allowing for automation and integration into larger projects. In summary, ImageMagick is a robust tool for image manipulation, but it's best suited for advanced users comfortable with command-line utilities. Its range of features is impressive, but the usability barrier can be a significant drawback. If you're looking for a free, flexible, and powerful image manipulation tool, ImageMagick is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials.